if you if you go to your App.vue, we're going to set up a few things in here. So we just test this isLoggedIn if the global state actually works as intended. Now I'm just going to use for the admin page here, we're going to do a vif for this one. So vif the isLoggedIn is either true or false, then you should show them. So if I am logged in, I should see the admin page. If I am not logged in, I should not see this page. This is just one of the two steps we should do for routing. So this will just hide it. It will still exist. So if you know the path, you can go in here when you're not even logged in. You can change a lot of things. You can create products, but you can't delete them and so on. But it's not optional. But for showing a button here, and we will do that for a login, logout button as well, this is a decent way of structuring this code here. Now inside the script down here, we're going to start adding or importing the things we need for this one here. And the first one we need to import in the user, not use store, use users. Sometimes the tab is too easy to hit. Users with an S from, not Vuex, but it will be /modules and /users. No, /auth, and the last one is use. There we go. So that's the first one we want. The second one we want to have access to will be the state. Oops. Import state from modules. That's not true. It's called global state with an S, and so we have those in as well. And the next part we need to do is create a computed method here. So because we have data that is already existing inside of Vue, computed is a good way to continuously manipulate data that already exists. For example, if you want to do calculations for a card, which we'll do later on, or in this case for logged in. So I'm going to create a const called isLoggedIn, and it's the same name as the other one. And we'll set this equal to computed parentheses, and then inside the, not inside these parentheses, after these parentheses, you use the function arrow notation. You'll do state, and you'll do, see from here from state, it already knows we're trying to grab that one now. And if you do dot, we get the correct one here, which is logged in. And I just realized we actually don't need useUsers yet. It's for the next step, so you can just mark this out quick, or you can leave it, I guess. We have this error here. Oh, I forgot a parentheses in front here, so it's parentheses and then a parentheses, and then you end the parentheses after here as well. But we have this yellow here, it says that cannot be found. We have to import it in like we do with a ref. So import, yes, and then remember not to do a slash here. So for this part, oh no, I hit something, 2 seconds, and I'm back. So let's go check this out. Again, we imported in the state, and we imported in the, we're using this isLoggedIn as a computed, so make sure it changes based on the state it is in, so either true or false, down here. So let's click save, let's go to the browser, if I can get the browser through here, and we'll do a refresh. So right now you can see the admin page is gone. And if I log in now, hopefully it will be shown in a moment. So we have an admin here when we're logged in, and if I log out, it disappears. So it immediately disappears because we are using the state here to make sure everything is changing and re-rendering automatically. Especially when you're doing these login, logout, the state management in Vue ain't always super awesome. So it's a good structure, a good way to do this, or at least it's a way to do this, to make sure everything works as intended with login and logout.